Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential tool storage solution, the DEWALT TSTAK Extra Large Toolbox with Fixed Divider. We've found this product online, and you can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DEWALT TSTAK Toolbox? This is a heavy-duty, extra-large toolbox designed to accommodate a wide array of tools, particularly the larger ones that often pose a challenge when it comes to storage. This toolbox stands out because of its deep design and a long handle, making it easy to carry even when fully loaded. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. One of the most impressive aspects of the DEWALT TSTAK is its extra-large volume, which provides ample space for larger tools like drills, saws, and other equipment. The toolbox also features a bimaterial handle on top, allowing for easy and comfortable lifting, which is especially handy when you're on the go. Another key feature is the top organizer, which comes equipped with fixed dividers. This makes it simple to keep your drills, bits, and smaller accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. No more digging through a jumble of tools to find what you need. Durability is another hallmark of the DEWALT TSTAK. It boasts heavy-duty rust-resistant metal latches that ensure the toolbox remains securely closed while protecting your tools from dust and debris. Plus, if you have other TSTAK units, you'll appreciate that they can be stacked underneath this unit using the durable side latches, allowing for a customizable and space-efficient storage solution. So, who is this toolbox suitable for? The DEWALT TSTAK is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a contractor needing a reliable storage solution for job sites or a weekend warrior looking to keep your home workshop organized, this toolbox has you covered. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're a contractor moving from one job site to another. With the DEWALT TSTAK, you can easily load up all your essential tools without worrying about them getting damaged or mixed up. The fixed dividers allow you to keep your drill bits neatly separated, which can save you valuable time when you're on the clock. Or perhaps you're a hobbyist who enjoys woodworking. This toolbox can accommodate your larger hand tools, while the top organizer keeps your smaller accessories within easy reach, all in one convenient place. Another scenario is for those who love to tackle home improvement projects. If you frequently find yourself in need of various power tools and accessories, the DEWALT TSTAK makes it simple to keep everything organized. You can roll it out to your workspace, ensuring that you have exactly what you need right at your fingertips. In conclusion, the DEWALT TSTAK Extra Large Toolbox is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a durable, spacious, and well-organized storage solution. Its thoughtful design and robust features make it a standout choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Thanks for watching. If this